Hello everyone, I hope you will be fit and fine. I am trying to solve your problem for online student performance. So how to create a Google form. This is the way you can take your test your students just like a quiz, long text, short text. So you can create easily Google form. So here I am sharing the screen. This is Google. When you open Google, here top right there is a nine dots are there, and here you have to click just in front of your image which you have applied in a Gmail. You have to click here. Then these all options are showing here. Mail, map, YouTube, all are showing here. Just you have to click in a drive, which is a triangle shape. You have to click here in a drive. So it is going to open now. So here my drive is visible. So here you have to click on my drive. So you have to click on more in the bottom of the that my drive. More is there. Slightly you have to move it right side. So here it will visible Google form. So Google form, and the slightly you have to make it right. So here blank form is there, and from templates are there. Templates blank means you have to create yourself. From a template means it are predefined forms are there. From there you have to select. I am taking a template here. See here template is visible. You can blank also, you can create from here. All these predefined forms are pasted here. So I am taking this one. Any previous which is already existing form you can create, and you can make it alteration on this. So I am double clicking on this. See here, this is a course evaluation. The title is written here. You can make it change here anything. First I am making it copy. See, top right, top right corner there is a three dots are there. Top right, top right corner, the three dots are there. Just you have to click over there. See there is a undo, make a copy, move to the press. All the options are available there. Just you have to make a copy. You have to click on make a copy. So here you can rename it, and you can where you want to save it, you can give the name of the form. School online test. I have given the name of the form. So here the path is, you can mention here path my drive. If you save in a my drive, same it will save in a your drive. Otherwise you can share it. So I am saving in my drive in computer also, and I am saving in the Google Drive, my drive. So here this is a new form which is a title I have written school online test. So this name you can make it copy, and you can rename it by clicking on top right corner 3 dots are there. From there you can make it copy. Previous form can be renamed. So here this is all text, you can make it changes here. Course title, here I can write school name. So here I have given a title. Now next you can write any instruction which you want to hear. Now come to the next, just little bit you have to scroll here. Scroll here, name, class. You can class name, you can write, you can make it modification here. See how to click on this and change it, name. Enter your name. So this text for short answer. The students supposed to write their name. So here you have to make it required. Student must input their name, that it should be on. Just like your mobile phone setting on and off. Just you have to make it slightly right. So it must be on. So this is for short answer. Students can write their name, and same thing you can make a copy of that. Otherwise you can create another text form. Here make it copy, and subject also they can write subject, and answer they will write here. And it also you have to make it required, means subject must they have to write here. Now instruction, this is a instructor is written here, you can remove it. Anything predefined text you can remove it. So how to remove? Just like you have to click on delete. This is a delete button, just click it, it will be removed. And here all these are required. Any you can write a text here to make them any performance here, poor here, this is not required, I am removing this. And it is also not required. So many predefined multi radio buttons are there that you need to remove. So here all you can remove. Otherwise you can create a blank and you can paste it from these options are available here. You can add from this. You can add from here any text field, any long text, short text, radio button, checkbox. You can select from here. See here, I have click on this add question. You can write a question. Multiple options will be here. See, anything, any you can write. See another. You can add another. So many, how many you want here, you can write a directly question with the answer here. And if you wish to make it short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, you can select from here. You can select from here multiple choice. It is appearing multiple choice. Here you can write for a short answer, paragraph type. If answers are long, then you can select your text as a paragraph. So students can write here long paragraph. Question will be pasted above. So answers will be here. Then another you can add. See here, same multiple choice. You can select from here. Short text question you have to write. Question can be, if there is a soft copy, you can cut and paste from there. Answer also you can write here. So you can make it required. Otherwise, directly students will write a answer and you can evaluate as a individual student answer will be there. So all you have to create like this. After creating this, you can change the image from here. Just top right, top corner, top right side, color options is showing there. From there, just upload a image. Image can be uploaded from here. See here, I have to, you can select from here. Otherwise, upload, you can save from drive. I'm selecting from drive. So this will be changed. Anything you can paste here, school logos, anything you can paste. Another here, this is just like a eye preview. This is for preview. You can click here for preview how your form is looking like. So first it is showing just school name and required whatever you will write text here, it will showing here name, subject, and also whatever your question will be there, answer will be showing here. Answer also, you can predefine answer, you can store there, but predefined answers, each answer will be exact match, otherwise it will showing wrong. So individual answer you can check of the students. Also you can set time. You can set time here. Just click over there, just date and time also there. Date also, you can date also paste it there, and time also. Day, month, student will supposed to write month, day and year also, and time also. You can also set the time there. Time. Date and time both can be set together. And if any form is this is a options is not required, you can remove directly here from delete button. Delete button is there, you can remove it. So now you have to go in a setting. This is the setting options in your top right corner. Go to setting. See here, journal, collect email. You can collect a email. You have to tick here. Otherwise, no need to collect here. If you want to wish to same reply in that email, click here. And one limit. Make a one response limit. Means so many times student perform again and again that fill and submit that form. that will be rejected by the if limit response is 1 be checked. And edit after submit, that also you have to uncheck. And see summary, that also you have to make it uncheck. Don't click here. This you need to make it uncheck. And only collect email and limit of one response. Only students can submit one response. So here presentation also no need to write this. Only go to in a quiz. Here make it quiz. This button you have to make it on. Now immediate after each submission, any students one after another they can submit here. And just you need to remember these three checks should be removed. This correct answer will not show, and point value they are not supposed to see. Miss question they can see. This you have to make it on. And then you have to save your form. Save this form. And after this you have to send. Click on send button. Here you have to make a link here. So click on this. This is just you are creating a YouTube link, just like a same. You have to click on here. Make it shorter URL. You need to make it shorter. Then click here. So this become a shorter. Then I am making it copy. Control C. So now I want to mail it myself, so that I can copy the link and send to the students. I'll click on mail. So two, here I am mailing to me myself, Meera Thakur. See here, school form name is which is the title is showing here, Shahid Bishan Singh School, and I have invited you to fill out the form. Just remove here and Control V. Whatever link you are copying from here, you have to paste here and make it same. You have to send from here. You have to submit this. So this will be directly go to my mail. And I'm again predefined form I'm showing to my form. See here. This is my predefined form. I have pasted the image here. Now, so first I'm repeating again this. How to make it predefined template. You can make it copy. Top right corner there is a three dotted are pasted. Here you have to click, make it copy, and you can give the form name. I'm giving just computer science. So here form name will be, it will directly store in a my drive, which is a directly in a mail drive will be drive. It will store, and I'm clicking OK. So here you can change the title, school name, anything which you want to write here. Just you can make a changes in this. And this is for email. Anything which is a required that you can add from a this button. You can add from this button. Click on this. Immediate the option will be available here. Just you have to make it changes from here. By default multiple choice will be appear. Click here. You can make it short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, drop down menu also you can make. You can also any images you can make it picture composition, any image can be uploaded from here. I'm showing you directly. any picture composition, anything. Just I am selecting this. If language is English, Hindi, Punjabi, teachers can paste here any picture and they can make a picture composition. This picture I have pasted, you can make it shorter it, otherwise same space will be consumed by it. We can modify it shorter. So here this picture will be uploaded here. After this you can write a question here, then points value also you can give here, and answers. See here, any answer which you want to match with the pictures you can paste here. Just click on answer, any answer you can add here. So after doing this, see here point is available here. Here you can give the marks, 2 marks, 3 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks for that picture composition. You can write a marks here, and after doing you have to make it done. So this will be available one choice here, and so this is not required in my form. I am removing it. So see here multiple choice I have make it. So how to make it? Answers are also available predefined. You can give here. So whenever you click on this form, see the answers key. Answer key I can make here. If I'll click here answer key, so I have selected which is a correct answer. So that you have to make it tick, and after you have to make it done. Any choices, multiple choices. If I am talking about the short answers and long answers, see the question here, difference between delete and drop. I have written question. So I have make a predefined answers here. So I'll click on answer key. Here I can write a question. Otherwise, if you have a soft copy, copy from then and paste here. No need to write type again and again. Once you can copy and paste here from answer, you can search your answer from Google. You can paste here. Then you have to make it done. So it will check whatever students supposed to write a answer. It will exact match will be checked, but it will if matching is correct, both are not equal, it will show wrong. Individually you can check the answer and you can give the marks to the students. So I have make it done. So all answer I have make it with the predefined answers here. See here. Now how to check the response? I'll click on response. Response will after submission. If you are giving a link to the students you have given a time for 1 hour, half an hour. So students submit to you response. So you can see the response. Again you can go to the Google Drive, open your form, and their question you can these questions are visible here, and you can click on response. See here, all the responses will be displayed here. All the responses will be visible here because I have copied. So there is a no answers are there. You can make it Excel spreadsheet also you can download. See here. The answers all are available in your Excel sheet. So here time will be displayed here, email address will be displayed, and score if you have given any Points there, score will be also visible there, time duration, your name, subject. See, the all questions are available here. So you can make check the answer form here. Otherwise, directly you have to go to the form. There is a 3 responses are here. See, these can be visible. All the response individual. So time will showing here. So I am talking Hunar Arora and these students, 3 students, they have submitted a form. I am showing how to check the individual result of the students. See, I am selecting a mail from here. See, I have selected the student Muskan. I want to check the individual. This is a individual. This is a summary of all, and question will be visible. Individual result. How to display individual result? Each and every student one by one. You can see the response here. See name. Name is here. Subject. See answers are available. Which is a ticked? Is a green, and which is incorrect? It is showing wrong. And see here, this is wrong. Which is wrong? That is showing automatically because I have given a predefined answers here. So long answer I have written, which I have written, it will match with the which students have performed here. So according to performance, you can give a marks, just 1 marks. If you, I have given a 2 mark question. So according to performance, it is a 1 mark and 1.5 marks I can give here. So each and every question I can see the answers here. So individually I can check and I can make a performance record of the students. See, all are visible. All answers are visible, which students I have written and which I have written. Predefined answers I have written there and what students I have written. So each and every answer will be matched to the predefined answer. And points, total marks will be visible here. Now this also you can send to the students. You can send the response to the students also. Otherwise you can manually you can make a record of the students. See all, and same thing you require again same you can make a copy from here. Make a copy, then make it changes on that. No need to create a again and again. Just make a changes on that. Question to be changes, and format of the form remain same, and question to be changed. So now how to send that I already explained here. Click on send button here. Link, make a link. Just you have created a YouTube link and make it shorter, and control C, copy it and mail to the mail yourself. See here, and here form name will be appear, and I have invited you to fill out the form. Here you can paste the link and send. So I am showing you here. In my mail, in my mail, I have sent in this mail. See, computer science online test. Here this form will be appear. Just click on this link. You can click on this link, or this link you have to copy and paste in a WhatsApp group. Students will open this link. All can open, not a single student. All can open this link. This link, as it is, you have to make it. No changes to be done here. Just click on this. See, by clicking this, I am opening this form. See here, by clicking on that form, it is visible here. In a WhatsApp group, you have to just copy and paste the link only. So all students can open once. You can also make a individual record of the student in an Excel sheet, and directly from a Google Drive, then you can save that form and make it another copy of that. Previous whatever you have students have performance in response will be remain there, and you can create another form there. Thank you. I hope you will understand this.